How Drake spends his money. Is there anything money can't buy? And what if you have $150 million to spend? This is the case of Drake, who is a Canadian-born rapper and a big name in the music industry. Drake is a singer, actor, and rapper from Toronto. Gifted with many talents, he is one of the richest artists in the world. Before entering into the world of music, Drake was an actor. He gained fame from the television series Degrassi: The Next Generation in 2000. After this superstar decided to launch a music career. In 2006, he released his mixtape called The Room for Improvement. After its success, he released two other projects, The Comeback Season and So Far Gone. He became even more famous after joining Lil Wayne's Young Money Entertainment in the year 2009. In 2010, he released another album, Thank Me Later, and it was a smashing hit. It became #1 on the American and Canadian album charts. This was the album for which he was awarded a Grammy Award. After this major success, he released two other albums, Take Care in 2011 and Nothing the Same in 2013, which brought him even more fame. His wonderful music got him more Grammys in 2017 and 2019. Drake also owns his record label called The OVO Sound. This is another source of money for the star. He wanted more business ventures, so now he is also a global ambassador of Toronto Raptors, a Canadian basketball team. In 2016, Drake released his Virginia Black Whiskey in the USA. So in addition to music, all these things pour millions into his account. This Canadian actor had set a target of making $25 million by his 25th birthday, and he succeeded. Nowadays, this 31-year-old actor is having $150 million, but Drake certainly doesn't have a hard time finding ways to spend his hard-earned cash. Now let's have a look at the other side of the story. In this video, I'll be telling you how Drake blows his millions. But before digging deep into this megastar's life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Cars. When you ask someone about the list of things they would buy if they got rich, one thing on the top of that list would be cars. When it's about cars, Drake started at the bottom with an Acura, and now he owns a seriously impressive collection of the world's most expensive and luxurious cars. The most prominent one in his garage is the most expensive vehicle that's a must-have for car lovers, because any luxury car collection would be incomplete without a Bugatti Veyron. Drake spends $2 million to get this one. He also owns a Bentley Continental, a super sports convertible similar to that one which he used in one of his music videos. He also owns a Brabus 850, which was released in North America in 2015. Other cars that are a part of his collection are Rolls-Royce Wrath, Mercedes Maybach S600, Ferrari LaFerrari, McLaren 675 LT, Lamborghini Aventador, and a few more. He enjoys driving all of them. House. When it comes to celebrities, all of us expect that they must be having a big mansion with sorts of comforts. So is the case of Drake. The Canadian hip-hop star knows much about the property world and was well aware of what he wanted when it came to purchasing his dream home. The mansion in which he lives is 12,500 square feet and cost a whopping $27 million. If you love swimming, then this place has you covered. It has numerous pools. One of them is a full-on Olympic swimming pool. One of the most astonishing things is a swimming pool which opens up into a grotto, and that grotto has waterfalls too. If you are still not impressed, then let me tell you that the mansion also has a tennis court and a place to play beach ball. The mansion consists of a massage area, a gym, and a home theater. He also owns several houses in Los Angeles. So you can say that the star is living in a style and enjoys every second in luxury. Watches. The rapper seems to be a huge fan of Rolex watches. One of his Rolex watches that he wore at Wimbledon cost $18,000. His custom Rolex President Day Rolex watch is another impressive piece from his collection. The watch comes with 18 carats yellow gold and consists of diamonds around its dial. He has many Rolex watches in his collection. Shoes, clothes, and jewelry. The star has an expensive taste in shoes. We can spend a maximum $100 on a pair of shoes. But Drake took the game to the next level and dropped a cool $2 million on a new pair of shoes. I mean, how is it possible that one spends freaking $2 million on a pair of shoes? But if you are Drake, then that's understandable. These shoes were made by Air Jordans, the most popular shoe brand in the world, so they are expensive by default. But more than that, they were made up of 18-karat solid gold, and that's why they were so expensive. Drake, however, mentioned on his Instagram story that these shoes are not to wear. In addition to this, Drake's closet consists of shoes from the most luxurious brands. Drake spends thousands on expensive clothing and style. He can even spend $1 million on Nike or Diesel if he's looking for something amazing. Charity. If you are thinking that the rapper only spends his money on luxuries and is careless about it, then you are wrong. Drake spends a lot of money on helping people. In April 2010, the superstar donated $30,000 to the Jamaican Learning Center. He also donated a good amount of money to the Hurricane Relief Fund. While filming a video for his song God's Plan, Drake donated $25,000 to the Miami Senior High School. In addition to this, he spared $175,000 to pay for groceries and college tuition fees of poor strangers. That was all for today's video. Which other celebrity's lifestyle do you want to know about? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching.